Okay, good afternoon, guys. Today we are doing the solar cooker challenge by Seed Smart White Plus Solar Cooker Challenge. Okay, so can you please introduce your group?
We are the group Epic. Epic. She's Monica, Melanie, Ryan, and Kuya Ralph Fermante, QHS alumni.
Okay, so now how do you find doing this solar cooking challenge?
We find this good for us, especially for us students, that we will know the practical way of cooking and using the renewable energy from the sun.
Okay, so how do you find the materials? Are they easy? What dish is assigned to your group?
We are assigned to cook spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Spaghetti with tomato sauce. Okay, so now doing this particular solar cooking challenge. Okay, could you please tell us what could be the importance of doing this particular activity?
For me, it is so important for us, especially to know how to cook practically and the more useful way of cooking. Yeah.
Okay, Ralph, could you add some more?
For me, because we are all youth and we're so adventurous, and now we have adventured the way of cooking, and we have learned that we can cook not via fire, but we can just cook from the heat of a sun, and from this we can conserve energy from or we can conserve gases and oils in our country.
Okay, very good, Ralph. What can you say to Seed, to volunteers? What can you say?
We would like to thank the Seed for visiting us here in Philippines and to share their knowledge about solar cooker challenge. And now we may use, or we can experiment in cooking some food by using the energy from the sun.
Okay, thank you so much, Epic Group. Okay, can you clap yourselves for Seed? Okay.